GC News, Mima Obibia Aquawa. I had here latest and hot news in Qua Enamide Bremo. Eluti, so we can subscribe here. But more than say, over subscribe to the channel. You can say over click the subscribe button. Now, our belly notification. We have a new video be uploaded. When the first person I want to have a video, I feel we are like video to give us a thumbs up. Nafi. Shema of first room be here and say had your latest and hot news corner the Bremo. I feel you do and similar. Young share a year and similar abeto ye proso. Yeti years and come cousin semi babutu ya yeti.
Peace Council a shia kunini anim tire na wo mo de ato manim se obi nkasem obi nhyenkom na emom enkom sha nyame adifo nyame asofo no ehye no wo mo nhye de emfa yonne emma ena ni agwengwe hu kra se enkomhye de nipa no woni sutumi ana enkomhye no kra ne word of wisdom ho ene enkomhye no ho ne enkomhye no so no se nipa kro ba hye na de yonne beba eno no ye be ne den papa enkomiti sei
yo me da pa say bi kan no amu ene o ma o mo studio nyina ejuma ifu na ne babu na amu ewo ejuma pa mo ye mo ben the thing say me cancel for me no me dibu emma bom cancel mo ya top company for I respect them me dey need be so pa mo pa and say mo ye papa no ebinu mo ma emu ye nyam juma na me usu bempa me nyam ma nyam juma nti me diboni and the amount. Now, Omu invited me, but manko. The reason I am here, manko.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news.
Nanu amu topic ni day. Abanu amu topic ni day.
Omu topic ni say omu pesu mu chia difo. A omu Ghana ha nyina. Na sabe me hu die ntia omu pray. Yesebia me gunu sunsumo but me se honemu me kika ne ma di tiani hu butenti o mo friend me yesa me ko because me for ya aka me challenge o mo big time ebusi so o mo questions bi o hol ma me the bible anku mu dimi ma me answer because openly edu tem dia sabi o ye de ni dia ma o mo se dia me kaka wa abrasi no adentina o mo kira dia university o mo tia politics me ba out e be kire say omu ye hwehwemu no party A na what take lead party B and what take lead wo Ashanti region Brakafo aha ene nkrofo yi a se yemi Ben
Essen
ene nkrofo bebre omu timi eye push e de ba e kire say amanyoko we na edikan ne to aba na amanyoko we ne bedi nkunim sa ade omu yei omu de ba omu kana bonten social media bi ko radio to ko da be bia na enu de enko to confusion enu de enko to confusion omu ye sa poti omu kire yo be wi abatu mu that Ghana deviating now. Omu the omu cause for confusion. But Divo just for them or no shankom. Actually, political party will be winning election on more cause for confusion. As I am a yenatrum. A yenatrum. When that's the process, also Mukushia Kata. Because Okasha own Asemu Divo being shankom. But more Divo and shankom and you yeneba. I do Divo and and come say. Ekana yakaso bi odifo a omu ntiafia na odifo no bi anyame ene yi kire no no waka nyame ne kasa fa bimu ye besi ene nyame manyuku no waka ento onu na nkom kan kire nyame se nyame ma mi hu we na me kan se atampa no nyame wo yi kire ko no anka ne saa ne butumi fu enti ne mo mu nyime say asade no Dabre before me, nim say be before me woman kasa na nyi woman se no be kan dia me akan tell. Ba me dia ye na me tell me na me.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
No me kasa before say kom say ne en kasa ma mo nhye nkom na emu. E be hye nkom no a ma mo nhye nkom e di problem beba. Enkom say ben na sebi o e yo di for na na nyene no ka me o su be pese me example. Every me hu bibi efa openi pe bi organ chief man because kan e di problem ba me ne papa ni hia ye no papa na hu ni sha de na make ade ni e ma nya semina na meti makara bontin what must ye e ma na sa so kura ma ye nkufa bi e ba ye ntem enunti no mestre ya papa no pasofo mpanifo say because I will trust him. Chef, Saul would mean yet king and our president without Samuel. Yam, today Samuel, Emma Samuel, ye near Yami Petro Yama Saul. When Yamina Mr. Saul by Yaman Kuyi, but he next when Yamit Saul say, we Yami, me choice, but on my in it, Medeneba Mamma. By you win it, you win, man, or the Baba shower bar. You say, Yamin, my Samuel, I quite correct. Oh, our first Samuel, chapter 9. Tama, so, ne papa, improve Murai. And Papa Samuel, chapter 10. Omuko to a back. Omu to a basso, Emma, so, Samuel, ya quite the man on a. And Tiano Sotono, Yagan. Ponya me bi kira wo se we ne be win election no nti ye say man me bia me ma bonten me ka de be win election 2024 no me bia tia me afi we menka wo ya me dan menka un se papa awa ho bratim ukura o ka se ti so wo bi fa me sa so ne se menka minim pa de be win ba menka ba bi ankrofo baba wonka nipa kro no what say eno no papa the meka not me dada I just me no mienu pehia na meka
okay
me say abonten kra no even masori dem kra obi ehuru ba bia mgina ba bia ebi obi kra gene be ye no se say papa my imagine say me nka anything me nkire nturi e no mo hyenkom sempi be wini bi send this be wini my din ameka wo mo
baba ebedu akire no wo be wa beka
papa me nka Chameka ne bia me ne wo ene bia me
because obi o wa o gire nyame asem so no de ato aba
papa ene bia me nka no kwepe ni afi we de me nka enti no sabe nyese e bia the Christian Council for ana Peace Council for kano enti na ama mi usu be mpa me se me nchen kom me di kaka ka me nka so no mo ko mi
Papa, ebia nyame e de amawo se ka kire wo man no se sei na etie se wanka ano no nyame mu na so de bi ma so
God being so good him say nyame so kan kire me men kan kire o man no say the 2016 de no netie no
enko je ni wo nyame etimi ka se en kan kire o man no
yes
okay
bibi o no nyame men ho ka se men kan fe papa me say eye Nathan eno ka kire Bathsheba Emma Bathsheba ka kire David se ahinye ni ye Solomon dia o sa enye Adonijah enti Solomon be ye king because of Nathan Zadok and Benaiah na sana tio edifo dwumadie no ye wo nyame afro o mama sabi ahinye eni amamu ya de eta ho okay Josiah ebeye king ana ene ya kwaka se president eye Jehoiada eno nyame fa ne so etu Atalia efina konya so eno di Josiah etna akonya no so no oye osofo no nya politician no yo osofo le do tell me anan ko say asofo no mo kasa fa politics no as o me politicians and no me asofo that o kan hu say nyankopon eno rule enipa affairs na nyankopon rule nipa affairs no o we di wo ɛwɔ priest ɛwɔ wɔwɔ Ghana ne wiase nyinaa abentina America de adifo no bi hyɛ nkɔm tumi kyerɛ de obɛwi ni election America koraa no adifo bi wɔ ɔmo hyɛ nkɔm kyerɛ de obɛwi ni election USA African countries bebree adifo hyɛ nkɔm even Ghana but me koraa na adifo bebree ahyɛ nkɔm ebi koraa nyɛ Ghana fo adifo ebi yɛ Nigeria adifo ebi yɛ Zimbabwe ebi yɛ nkonkro ɛso ebi koraa ministry ɛwɔ Britain ebi ministry ɛwɔ US so mo senkom extra de obedi nkonimo gara eno ti na da bia me de me se me ne dampare nya agene ta no otimi kase mo di fo bi nsenkom enkom se de problem beba enkom se bia no na enkom se bia fa problem ba enkom se e ba be sure de e ba be to no ya yi wanya so yi na to de a ene na etoje wa enti odi fo bi nsenkom a e kokobo ene ahwe yi ana enkom chetre enkom se ba se be ya obe ya fe yi bibi ate wodi menya betu no nyame na modi po so aka kyerɛw eti se di onyame na me so ka se nsuo beto na me hu se gyan na mu a me hu se kum krofo Ghana ha anka ya afi yi anka de na nsi otomasie papa eno na
bia
vanity
enkom se bia ba se bia manyoko we na bedi nkunim na
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Enu amem na fufura di nkunim ba ko se kase ne bedi nkunim na tokwa ba enu so
o we no fan tokwa ba e free tete na ya enkom cha ba Ghana ha ama pin kom she bembi kom sha bem eso an fan tokwa en si Ghana ade time o nyame na meso e hye enkom che se Nana Akufo-Addo e no be win election ta so fu bi so hye enkom e ka se na Akufo-Addo tim president da but they see yes an fan tokwa ma Ghana Nana Akufo-Addo win election and fan tokwa ma Ghana 2020 nyame kakatre me ma me hu se EPP be ba sawa now me coming hu cry yes specific say me benya 51 point BB 51.2 or 51.3 o se den yo e bi so to chenkom e ka say NDC na be win e so to yakoto abani bi ye no na de nyame kaktre me na abam an fan tokwa en si Ghana every take me nyame nam osu be mpa so ma senkom from kama na me so popani nam nyame na me so me lead player nyame na me so share come to the win election e be see and comes to be a normal ba obi a she opposite as one fan to kan si Ghana na ene na din to kwa be en to kwa be si Ghana na eye abato na temu nyama na be tinya credit to kwa nya difo e bi o pipi so no ani ni tinchim ne nsa ene bi e o ye basa beba enyo difo bi a wa share kom otomafie enu mpono empaibo no o se yebo na nyame konsuo mpagu so tebe ya bibi poni sensuo man na na mabato so e ma me ho asema political parties bi ntem e men kofa okon magana enu ho empaibo na ye bote bi Ghana da
baba na wodi e o kai mre bi ache ye no di nkomo wa fidie so saa ma kan kra say obi say his excellency John Dramani Mahama nyame nsa firi ne so emre bi so no ye baaye no na ase eniema so asasesa candidates no a we ye Baumia we ye his excellency Mahama we so ye no bibia sesa wo obia ho obia betime president wo
openi o se me kan sem bi ebra o ye me sign interview no openi me no ade bia me kan bia no aya na me nya me din komo number 7 to ake ebi sida oza anaso nya bitimi kire me se we ebi sida but say ene tie ade no ho bibi nti na ma nyame etimi ka so mpene emo bi nye bribi ba ni pakona kuma sesa ni pana kuma sesa nyame so timi sesa na kom pana na me pese me kire enu tu kaya that time no ya me interview kra me the Raven example said the Leviticus chapter 11 and more about to no more na Raven ka ho but that Raven ya na ne honti o Leviticus chapter 11 in the same Raven ya no Nyankopon e ma o di odi for Elijah okay nje mu say o say e den exercise enti opanini media menchire the obeying
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Many Pacrono, Tunanamu, ya, dear little free so. Maybe a chamu, Paula, or Bible. Turn also this year Christo. No fighting here Christo. A TD4. I know fighting, yeah. But a drew 10B. And come na kuma ne botaya no de fight ya Yeshua HaMashiach HD4 no na ya kuma papa but na eye wrong thing na no oye no because no feel say or fight for Moses mra because Moses mra no any Yeshua HaMashiach nkofo ne omu ye na ase eba abra ento no ye say o be fight it no e say o nyame a o kuma no Yeshua HaMashiach ono no papa edit nyame no enti nyame he na koma na nyame so no akoma ma wo de kutia me be ya mesman ma na ba ta su be di dwuma yi achidifu yi o kopa ba office o ye ma me but oni nti enye me mi hu ade akse na ma me na hu se nipa na wo kutia no ne hye ne ne a ne nkofo yere ne nyame na mesman me ba so mra e me kiro mo sa akwan so ye okwan foforo nti se me do bam wan ka sabra be yesu mama okwan foforo yi o sa de no nti afa eniama afata so hwa e ma Paul afa ono na afa won kuntia Yeshua HaMashiach atidifo bi rather ni bom na fo oye adwuma ma Yeshua HaMashiach atidifo no enu nti no papa me de me otu bempa me no ka sei so bi ka me ma hyem kom say part we ni be wini enya no korrect eno wo stand see na yen to ababo mu no be so me no sebi you me de me bom paye me mpaye na me de me bo say rade be bo na so ge beba nti mo bi an age me se bi a ma hyem kom the part we be wini na part we be wini me hyem kom me pe na me nim me kukuom de me ye me nim nya me pe eninim and the abundance for ehun nya so bi abetibi e mo bi am pama card ni bi anhyem na papa back to Christian Council bi no say ye hwe nyame asemu a e deep for no nyame na mo mo so e na deep for bebebe tratra amamu akunya so o hwe kura na ohini bia woni deep anaso ohini bia woni priest o should be say Ahab saying Uncle Nyami de Elijah man but Ahab na so odinti still o Nyami ni Mekaya sanka Mekaya mo esu wentie Mekaya asem ema na kuma primu nti no Nyami so peso yi ni pri wonti o Nyami ho ma edifo daada ema nkoko wi ewo kwa no enti edifo de eni Nyami asofo de ye edifo nkwa o Nyami asofo de play major part ewo man no teme kra no me de ni die ni buo eso bema so ko a omukoshi edifo eno kra na meka to omu de adwuma pa
okay
so matumi agina bo man no no matumi o man no die yo ho no mu pe bene ya na se basa e be si o man mu to mu nya edifo akoshia sebe ya omo so be kire o magene
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I'm not against them. But I did an ya the woman said, Bebrebe no deep for so kasa. And Yami said deep for son of Maka. Ah, woman control, I was so, I will claim this so. And yet the Biana will be control. Oh, come say Yami Yachono. And then come say you on Yami Yacho, Becca can use no Becca Manka. It's an income fish there. Anka, Yapa Panama so 124. Woman yet these will share me. And I said, if you are sent by your Mukushia, also, man who said no. And you Mujumeti no. The Mujumeti no. 77 predia song. If you are, I didn't check a crap at the mammo. They could be saying. But Sequoia said, Mamma can't be a mocha and dick. Basa bebo man, the not quite a condition. As one person which I say, yet the agony I can. As Sabi Omukra, Omukunti, a dear Jumedi, as the Virgin say, And as a sudden, as a deep for no imagine a cat, you make a canna. As I know, put here deep for you, because what deep for the not getting a cat, and that is what no deep for. But you were deep for so many, and your margin, and nobody creating some make a can. As I must move, so for penny bit to be done on no property, a cassette, most of them quite deep for, as for the number of scare common my mom, a deep for we know with Jim Sicker. As one for penny, we are so far also church the Bible, we are Bible teacher. I also who the title was on them, also so resist car what on them. A two cassette you deep for, or also, yeah, sorry, or also so a resist car. Send for food, music, common my deep for. That was also. What's for the business that you move and then for it is Cabrel. Even the other man, child, me who said to come and sort of I can't answer me. I'm disappointed with him. Very serious. Me respect no pa because we're Papa Penny.
Not getting up. Papa, be not getting walk out. One come over.
I didn't know who say most of them discuss coming my deep water. No more is a deep for nature. Also, what should yes, also what should we which is the bar for the amount of problem see it. Ah, title dibby. Offering we should dibby. No deep for me get non to offering, and they can condemn. So, that's a deep one idea. Yet, no, Namen friend, that's a deep would you a dear. There's one person which is if being asked, me no credit, and I'm a more time. You can go for the dimatem, but me cannot credit. You also been part yet, make out the matter. No, just me poo. So for penny documents, what other? Me puno make all my heart. Me who club, me bone me once a couple. The share of who I may put me once, Yaman. I say, baby, you know, Yami, me no.
Yo, it's for winning and somewhere about the toy, Yapuno so. Because you see so, and now we're no, so we subscribe here. Or more than so, best subscribe to the channel. This answer had here later and hot news in Kwa and I'm a Bremo. I feel we are not like a video, no, nothing. Share my offer for us now when you be here. Now, who ends somewhere and Koso, Dara Memaro. Also, bet me actually working after a year and somewhere in our home, I will comment box them. Mobati Minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.